Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 CFMoto CForce 500. This 4x4 quad with automatic transmission just arrived with only 54 miles on the odometer. Equipped with a front winch standard, racks, alloy rims, four-wheel independent suspension, electronic power steering. This thing is loaded and very low mileage, just like showroom condition. Automatic transmission. Come on by and make your CForce 500 dreams come true for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.